Hey guys, this is probably my most requested video, a postpartum ab routine that is Diastasis Recti safe. So here it is, ladies, just showing y'all my results. All right, let's get into this. So first we are going to focus on breathing. Breathing is key, y'all. Like if your breathing is not proper, these workouts will not work. So you want to push out, like so when you're inhaling, you're pushing out, and when you're exhaling, you're contracting and pulling in. You'll see me doing that, inhaling, pushing out, and then exhaling, bringing everything in and really contracting those abs. All right, so when you're doing all these workouts, you want to make sure that your abs are contracted, aka pulled in and tight. You do not want a soft belly. So you just want to go through these exercises nice and slow and controlled. You're lifting the opposite arm and leg at the same time and really keeping that core tight. All right, so now we're doing toe taps. So number one thing, you want to make sure that of course your core is tight, but as you lay back, make sure there's not a gap in your lower back. Make sure your back is completely flat on that mat so that you're fully engaging your abs and not like hurting your lower back or anything like that. So you'll see me adjusting, getting my core contracted. I'm gonna go ahead and lift up those legs, and we're just gonna tap one at a time, nice and slow, keeping those abs tight, keeping that lower back on the floor, just like that. You got this. All right, and we're done, and on to leg hugs. So you're just simply going to keep that core nice and engaged. This is almost like active rest. And you're just going to bring one leg in at a time and just give it a nice hug, keeping those abs tight, keeping that lower back on the mat. And we're just going to do this for a little bit as we get ready for the next one. Okay, we're gonna go into leg drops, but first I wanna make sure that we have the right positioning. So you see here, no, we do not want that lower back up. We want it flat. So you see that adjustment. We're ready, both legs up, and we're just gonna drop one at a time. You can keep your arms at your side. I just had them up so it's easier to see this video. Just drop, nice and slow, core engaged, not a soft belly, but a tight core, so we're pulling it in, right, like we were on the exhale. Good, keep going, we're almost there. You got this. And now we're going to head into glute bridges. We're going to make sure that back is flat when it's on the mat. Our core is tight and engaged, no soft bellies. And we're just going to drive up using your heels. And just go nice and slow and controlled. Really keeping those abs engaged. Your abs should be so tired, guys. But we're almost done, so just keep going. And you did it. We are finished. Ha, just kidding. We have some more breathing because breathing is so important. So we're just going to go into those. Inhale, big belly. Exhale, tight belly. Just hold for a second. Real tight squeeze. And we're going to keep doing that. Inhale. Good. Exhale. Tight, tight, tight. Again. All right. Make sure everything is in position. And we're going to go ahead and inhale again. Inhale. Good. Exhale. Tight, tight, tight. We're just going to do that for a few more seconds and then we'll be done. Girl, you did it. So now you can repeat this 2 or 3 more times for more of a challenge. But I thank you for watching. Love y'all. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.